When outside the aircraft, pull inflation sags to inflate your vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tube, blow to increase air and push inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery tab is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found on the cabin. The location of the nearest exits may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft, and in any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. The following safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance to the existing regulations and to provide security and a pleasant experience in flight. Your safety and comfort are our utmost priority. We wish everyone an enjoyable flight. Once again, this is Flight 5J383, bound for Cagayan de Oro. Welcome aboard.
We are about to take off. Fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
And due to the potential risk of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to reportable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the in-seat power outlets during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including power banks, during this time. Para po sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyari po lamang natanggalin ang mga charging cables sa in-seat power outlets at iwasan po ang pag-charge ng inyong mga portable electronic devices sa mga oras na ito.
Guys, ano na, ilang oras na lang. Na-delay yung flight namin guys, dapat 4:45 yung flight namin, anong oras na ba daw na-delay. Grabing experience ko kanina guys, sa totoo lang naman po guys. Yung sumakay kami ng Grab guys, pumunta kami ng hinatid kami sa terminal, malaki pa yung bayad, 1/4. Pagkatapos hindi pala doon, sumakay kami ulit, galing kami sa terminal 4, naghatid sa aso ko na tatlo. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-support guys. Grabing experience ko sa ano. Grabing experience ko ilang araw. Kasi grabe ang walang permit ng tinatawagan na namin kasi pagkagabi na flight na namin tsaka lang guys ibigay yung shipping permit. At least guys napapasalamat ako ni Lord kasi nasold lahat. Nasold lahat guys yung nasolve lahat yung problems kasi akala ko maiwan yung aso guys. Akala ko guys maiwan yung aso namin kasi 3 days na kami nag-a-apply sa sa permit para sa aso. Pagkatapos tsaka na public kami tumawag tsaka na nabigyan ng permit guys yung ilang oras na lang para kami makapag-aalis na. Tapos pagpunta pa namin guys sa nakaiyak pa ako guys kasi pagdating namin sa hindi pumasa yung kids ni Lassie kasi lang yung kids na XL. Dapat yung kids niya large. Magkapareha sila ni Goldie. Pumasa kay Goldie, yung kay Ice pumasa kasi ang laki. XXL mahal din. Umiyak ako guys kasi hindi sana maisama si Lassie kasi bawal pala yan siya sa yung kids niya kailangan nakatayo, makaupo siya parang comfortable